service and maintenance of UV systems, proper and regular maintenance is essential for reliable disinfection. It is therefore important that you always use genuine Van Remmen parts and carry out maintenance following our guidelines. Genuine Van Remmen parts are perfectly designed for the system and ensure the correct UV dose and safe disinfection. Non-genuine parts can lead to reduced performance, malfunctions, and even loss of warranty and certification. Replace the UV lamp every 8,000 or 16,000 operating hours, depending on the lamp type. Replace the quartz tube at least every 4 years. And always replace the O-rings when dismantling the unit. Used parts contain valuable materials. Please return them for recycling. This is how you operate sustainably and ensure your UV system always does what it promises. Want to know more? Go to Service and Maintenance Performance Assurance.